Where am I? I'm somewhere that sells toe jam.
Shake up a martini, pull up a chair, and let's go thrifting. This is Mid-Century Wasted.
So I'm still out here in Kentucky with Mary Beth, and we're going to do a little more shopping today. And right now we're about to go into the shed. That's right. Hashtag bring back the shed.
Yeah. Come here.
There's Blue Boy and Pinky.
Baby's not.
Nope.
Do you want to see my worst nightmare?
We have the same worst nightmare.
I mean, God in heaven.
Yep. The only thing missing is a live, laugh, love sign.
Yes.
Oh, look at the little salt and peppers. Old Salty.
This booth is 40% off.
Oh. There's Old Salty. That's Blake. He's salty. It actually kind of does look like Blake now that I think about it. Wait a second. It didn't dawn on me until just now. There's a little unicorn. Fun. Wow, look at that.
He's pretty.
Yeah. Oh, look at you. It's a buttonholer. Cute. Cute, cute. Oop, I see Pyrex. Jar of buttons. It's a nice blend of set. Oh wow, these are cute. There's a big flower frog. That's a cute one. $50% off booth. Let's see what's in here. Oh. That's cute. Interesting. painted. Flamingo. That's a palm tree.
I've never seen all this stuff here before. All these like metal.
Oh,
art
really?
pieces. Yeah, I think all this is new.
There's Baby Yoda. I like those flamingos. I like all the flamingos. But high percentage of flamingos over here.
It looks like it's a wind.
A wind,
thing.
yeah.
Whatever that's called.
Windmill.
Yeah, there you go.
A wind turbine. The set. $80% off.
80% off.
80% off.
That probably means she's priced everything at like $4 million.
Right. Or that there's just nothing good. I like the hands though. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's what she did. $40.
Jesus. That's ridiculous.
Yeah.
That makes me mad.
I don't know why people do that.
I don't either.
Just ask what you want for it.
This tortoiseshell stuff is kind of
I was just looking at that. It is pretty cool.
not priced.
Okay. What on earth? That's really scary.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Highway Pioneers. What is this? Oh, it's a model. Chicken noodle cutter. Ooh.
That's weird.
I feel like you'd lose a finger in that.
Let's see. You have any questions?
Oh, look at the little donkey. Isn't he cute? Oh, there's some lady vases. Wow.
Amanda's bargains, 80% off.
Oh, that's cute. Where are you? Napkoware. Ooh, that's pretty. It's an acid trip.
Yeah. Definitely.
That's what it is. Look at those old Pepsi cups.
Those are cool.
You see those?
Mhm. Yeah, those are neat.
Yeah. $4 each.
Each?
Each.
Nice.
Sorry, Blake. I'm not gonna look through them. He's gonna be mad. He's gonna be mad about this. I'm not doing my wifely duties. There's an old Sunbeam. Those are brutal to sell. Those old mixers.
Oh.
They weigh like 900 pounds.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Like the old cooler.
Would you like a fencing mask?
I wouldn't. I don't think it probably doesn't smell very good in there. Oh, they're still in there. Here, I could get some bell peppers to go with all my tomatoes. Or are those supposed to be green tomatoes? I do not know. Wow, her face. What's this? Mm-mm. It's shiny. Oh. $20. $20. I don't think this is what we're looking for. We're gonna put this. It's got like a winking face, but look at this one's even better. No regrets. It's not gonna cut it.
That's too much. That one's, what's in that one? Is that underpants?
Oh yes, it is. I mean that is technically 4,
Oh yeah.
but you can't do that. It's a family show. Oh. More records, Blake. Barbara Streisand, your favorite.
I found a present for Misty.
Is it a clown? Yikes. No thank you.
I don't even like that one. Yeah, that's a good price on those. Another jar of buttons. $9 for some buttons. Cute. Look at you. That's nice. 2 of them. What are you? They're so tiny. New stuff. Whoa. These are some cool ones. A little bird. More records. Sorry, Blake. Tom's Toasted Peanuts. Wow, look at that set. $150 for that whole set. Pitcher and glasses. Oh yeah. Yep. Glowy.
It's a party.
I like that custard glass down there. That's really pretty.
Look at that little sad panda there on the top shelf on the right.
Oh. He's real bummed out. Or real high. Those are cute. $2.25. Six for $15, or 2 and extra free for $20. What? I'm confused. Oh, that's pretty. More records. Sorry, Blake.
Little Tom and Jerry set. 4 glasses. That's sad. God. Look at how destroyed these got.
Oh gosh. Dishwasher like a bazillion times.
Yeah, that's sad.
Wow.
How unfortunate. She's too cute. I'm gonna get her. Ooh. Don't break things, Mary Beth. What are those?
They're like little nursery rhyme, salt and pepper.
Oh,
Can't
those are
find
cute.
them. They look like they would be worth more than $10 to me, but
Hey, winking owls. I like the little salt and peppers. I'm always drawn to these.
New Orleans. What does it say?
It says it on,
It's just written on there.
oh, on the bottom. Maybe the person bought it in New Orleans and they wanted to remember.
That is really cute, but I don't know why without knowing.
What does that say? Oh, God, my knees can't handle these low shelves. $17.50. That's a good price for that. How the heck would I get a Pyrex home? Pyrex in my carry-on?
Just carry it.
Just walk onto the plane.
Lunch.
It's my child. That's cute. $5. All right, I'm gonna get you. It's a little bunny. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze any second, and it's not happening. It won't come out.
Oh, there's a smell over here that makes me feel like I'm gonna sneeze.
Yeah, it must be what it is.
Yeah, those are adorable.
Yeah. It's heavy. Feel how heavy that one is.
Oh wow.
It's a weighty one. Hop, hop. There's a lot, like... Oh, this is his kind of music, too. Sorry, Blake. Well, yeah. Okay. I have no choice at that price. Chipped. Chip, chip, chip. It's a nice hamper. Could just put all my clothes in that and call that my suitcase. Oh.